welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm back again with Mzansi Sophie stories. Guys, we are talking about Uzalo. It was once reported that Zekhethelo is leaving the show. I'm not sure if she's leaving for good or she will come back in future. This is how she will leave the show. It can only be heartbreak that leads a girl to leave her family, friends, and the place she loved the most. Zekhethelo has been forced into drugs, being homeless, going into sex work, and experience the public humiliation that comes with it all. But none of this prompted into packing her bags and leave KwaMasho for good. That is until she fell in love with the man of God, Sambulo Kwala, who left her in the altar on their wedding day. They tried to rebuild their relationship, but Pastor Kwala realized that he has lost interest in Zekhethelo and he didn't want to force things. Zekhethelo will decide to leave KwaMasho. Pastor Kwala would feel bad for the part he played in Zekhethelo's decision. The pastor will struggle to deal with his loss, but it seems as if he is the only one who cares about Zekhethelo leaving. Anyway, their relationship was never approved by anyone. One good thing about Zekhethelo leaving, Pastor Kwala will start to focus in building his relationship with his biological family and seeking their love. We don't know, maybe he is about to join Nkunzi's dodgy businesses and forget about being a pastor. Stay tuned to find out more. Guys, that is all I have for today. Please comment below and share your feeling about Zekhethelo leaving Uzalo. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.